Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Balakrishna Quizzer. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get the latest updates related to the videos uploaded. Without further ado, let's get started. Target shooting is a special sport that allows children to develop in many ways. It may be real life targets or improving one's discipline in regular life. Young children and people develop concentration and discipline through the shooting sports because their success depends almost solely on individual dedication and practice. Hence, this is my air gun collection video. I have 4 air guns which I'll be explaining you in this video. Watch the complete video and see what are the various air guns that I have to increase my concentration, dedication and discipline. This is the Desert Eagle spring-loaded 6mm metal BB semi-handgun. With its massive size and distinctive design, this is its magazine. You can see this magazine is made of full metal. The Desert Eagle is among the most widely recognized handguns ever produced, chambered in .50 mm caliber round, and mighty Desert Eagle would be its masterpiece of its kind. KWC is offering the Desert Eagle, which is the best value for money, and its already installed full metal kit. It bears realistic markings outside and inside the frame. If you look into the security measures, this is fully automated and security auto enabled. The airsoft replica weighs in an 0.8 kg, making it quite the best of its kind. The only main plastic part to be found on the pistol is outer shell with its metal grip. As you can see, the pistol houses the spring-loaded inside of a standard sized magazine. Its specifications include velocity 220 feet per second, spring-loaded, weight 0.8 kg with safe and single switch. The next one on our list is R65 airsoft gun styled after M16 semi-automatic rifle. This is a complete black ABS plastic and metal combination 6mm metal BB machine gun. Full scale replica of the real steel airsoft and compatible with 6mm metal airsoft BBs. It comes with a complete suppressor which reduces the sound and increases the versatility. Velocity will go up to 200 to 250 feet per second. This is the suppressor which comes to the gun with a complete metal body fully loaded. And if you look into the metal body, it is a double eagle remarkable authentic which is having a 12 round magazine which is completely configured with a metal gripper and metal body inside. If you see the stock, if you see the scope, all these are a part of a body which are included with the gun. The M4 looks and feels and weighs almost all 3.2 kg. The specifications include 320 feet per second, spring loaded and weighs 1.8 kg. The third one which is shown in this video is Accuracy International L115A3 sniper rifle, which is produced with complete ABS plastic with 6mm mold. So let us just see and feel the guns one by one. So this is, as I said, the Desert Eagle, which weighs around 0.5 kg to 0.8 kg. This is the R16 airsoft gun, which is completely metal, which is around 2.8 to 3.2 kg, depends upon the additional scope and suppressor. And the final one, this one is, as I told you, L115A3 sniper rifle, which has around 320 feet per second speed and which weighs around 2.9 kg to 3.5 kg, depends upon scope and other accessories. I told totally 4 guns, if you remember, in the start of the video. The 4th gun is this, which is a surprising gun, which is the small model, the miniature model of the same Desert Eagle which we have discussed. If you look into this Desert Eagle spring-loaded 6mm but plastic bullets. This can handle only plastic bullets. This will not be able to fire the metal BB or metal bullets, which comes with remarkable authentic markings with metal grip and security. The weight of it goes to around 0.4 kgs or 400 grams approximately, and this doesn't have a long range. It can focus just only around 30 to 40 feet maximum. So just having a comparison with the Desert Eagle original version and the small version, you can see like this. So these are my complete air gun collection, which includes 4 air guns. These are the metal BBs which I told you, 6mm, weighing around 0.8 to 12 grams each, which are devastating, which are dangerous. So when dealing with guns, the first priority is your security. Please do consider it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share the video with friends. If you have any comments, questions, please feel free to comment. Thank you.